After my husband passed on, my grandkids started calling me cool grandma because my precious had puppies, and I decided to keep them all together, one big happy family. Them puppies mean everything to me now. And it's because of them I'm sharing my story about Donʻt. That's right, the blue dishwashing soap. You see, I found a homemade recipe online using Donʻt to get rid of dog fleas. In retirement on my own, I can't afford expensive flea killers every month for 5 dogs. So I tried it. And guess what? Yep, it's been 3 years so far, not a flea in sight. That's when I learned Donʻt is more than just a dishwashing soap. It's a little bit more expensive than the others, but I'll pay the extra pennies any day. Those Donʻt folks, they're good people. Right, Precious?